Good girl. Good girl. That's it.
I'm doing it.
Feet together a little more. Good.
Stand up straight. No, don't lean forward. It's okay.
Wow.
Good stopping. Look at that toe.
She's doing awesome.
Good job.
I'm doing stop now.
I know.
I'll do a stop whenever I'm...
Wow. Who knew she was going to be a natural skater? Good job, Brittany.
Good job. Okay, going up a hill. You need a little help. There you go.
Watch this, I can skate.
Okay.
This part.
Okay, ready though? Brittany, hold
That's-
on, honey.
And I'll turn.
Yeah, I know, but you're getting a little too ahead of yourself. There you go.
Watch this.
Okay, careful. There's a car coming. Let's just stop. Let's take a break for 1 second. Let the car come by.
Come by.
The neighbor's coming by. Wave to the neighbor. Okay. Come on, Brittany.
Sit slow, honey.
Good girl. Wow. Good job.
Remember? You got it, honey. No, toes down, not heels, honey. Toes. Good
Watch
job.
this, I'm doing it.
Honey, you got to remember, this is your first day.
Our little girl is a little eager.
A little too eager.
What's eager?
Excited.
Too excited. Brittany,
Up.
Brittany, see?
There's her first spill out.
spill.
And she's up. Back up.
Slow
Yay.
down.
Hey, good thing I got my...
I know, but you landed on your bum. There's no cushion on your bum, is there?
Just your natural cushion.
Slow down, okay? You ready? Okay, here we go again. Ready? Let go again. You ready? Oh, not yet.
Jay, don't go too fast, okay?
There you go.
Good job, Brittany. Here she comes. Feet together a little more. Good job, Brittany.
There you go.
Dominic, slow down. Deep in concentration.
Look at that face.
I
The
know.
concentration on that face. There you go. You're doing great. Beautiful.
Good.
You did great.
To think
You try.
up, and she's down.
You okay?
That place I was filled.
I'll fix her helmet forward a little bit.
Still on their
Just slow
first
down,
time.
toe down in front. Just stop.
I'm doing it. I'm
No,
doing it.
Brittany.